Hi, in this video, we'll review your PowerScore performance snapshot and go over interpreting your results, downloading a copy of your report, how to use this information to improve, and other helpful resources. Let's get started. Once you've submitted your PowerScore survey, this submission will take you to your performance snapshot. This snapshot allows you to review your KPIs, see how you rank against other facilities like yours. For those with multiple records, you can see your year-over-year performance and learn more about these calculations. If you'd like to download or print these results, click the Make PDF button in the top right corner to create a PDF version of this snapshot that you can download or print and share with your team. If this is your second year submitting your facility data, you can compare your first year to your second year of growing and see how your performance has changed. Or you can also do this if you have multiple facilities operating. You can compare between your two facilities and see how you might have changed year to year. PowerScore compares your records to all of the other records in our ranked dataset with a similar size and facility type, as seen in the percentile comparisons next to each KPI and overall ranking in the right column. PowerScore will compare your facilities to other facilities in your category, that is, greenhouse, indoor, or outdoor, and then by small, medium, or large. More information about the sizes and overall rankings is available in the PowerScore glossary. In terms of nationwide cannabis facilities, as of early 2025, there are 300 records available to compare your facility against, with a variety of sizes and facility types. Then, for each KPI, it compares against all the other KPIs in those accepted data records. You can see areas that you are excelling in and others that you may have more room for improvement. These rankings can help shape your future growth strategy. In your performance snapshot, PowerScore uses two groups of key performance indicators: efficiency, which is using annual square footage of flowering canopy, and productivity, using annual weight of production. For each KPI number, you can click on one of these question marks and it will show you exactly what numbers are being calculated and where all of these potential factors are coming from. There is also a handy conversion from English to metric both at the bottom of each calculation and an easy toggle over at the top right of the page. While these KPIs are all using utility bill level data, which includes all of the other activities that go on site, not just the growing, it is still a good benchmark for facility use. While many are interested in sub-metering for specific parts of a facility or equipment, it is still uncommon today. Efficiency KPIs are all based on flowering canopy. While other operations and stages of growing also use resources, this allows operations to be normalized and compared to offer you rankings. While of course this is not perfect, these rankings are above all for you, and you understand your own nuances. In the efficiency section, there is an overall energy efficiency metric. This is based on all types of energy used, including electric, natural gas, and any delivered fuels. Below, there is an electric and non-electric KPI to break that energy metric down a little further. The energy emissions efficiency gives a rough estimation of the carbon emissions per square foot based on the New York electric grid and those other fuel sources. This isn't a full customized emissions analysis, but it can give you a rough estimate of the energy-related emissions of your facility and help start that conversation. The lighting efficiency is watt-hours per square foot of flowering canopy. This comparison to others can be a good indicator of how efficient your lighting setup is compared to similar facilities. There are often programs through utilities that can help you upgrade your lights to something more efficient as well. At the bottom of the efficiency section, there are also bonus points for using lighting products listed on the DLC qualified product list of efficient lighting. The DLC is an excellent organization that specifically goes through and selects efficient products that are best in class. HVAC efficiency is an estimate based on those HVAC types, which are further described in the PowerScore glossary. Water efficiency is straightforward. How much water was used per area of flowering canopy? Waste efficiency is similarly straightforward with waste produced per area. Efficiency numbers tend to be a good overall indicator of your facility's performance, since it's less affected by some of the nuances with final production. Efficiency numbers can also be an important factor if you're designing a new facility or expanding your current one. Now to the productivity section, which is always a great metric to know as a grower. Some might say, who cares how little energy or water you use if you're not growing anything? Each of these KPIs mirror those of the efficiency KPIs, with the exception of canopy productivity. Canopy productivity ties together efficiency and productivity in how much product is produced per area of flowering canopy. This is a key KPI for your operation, regardless of how interested in energy efficiency or water efficiency you are. If this number looks really good, most of your productivity KPIs will also look good. If this number is not where you want it to be, that will carry through each KPI as well. From there, each KPI measures the amount of resource use against the production. Just like the efficiency KPIs above, these KPIs include energy, electric, non-electric, energy emissions, lighting, water, and waste. If you continue to scroll down past the snapshot, you can see the summary of the information you put in. You can double check for any issues, typos, or things that didn't carry over in the way that you expected them to. If you notice a typo or another issue, you can edit the record and resubmit it. Below your performance snapshot is this green bar linking to RII's catalog of free best practices guides and other resources. Here at Resource Innovation Institute, we also work on free best practices guides for cannabis growers, primarily for those in greenhouse and indoor facilities. There are also recorded workshops that were made specifically for New York growers that can be found here. Well, that wraps up our tutorial. By now, you should have a solid understanding of how to navigate your PowerScore performance snapshot, interpret your results, and use them to drive improvements in your facility's operation. Remember, your performance snapshot is more than just a report. It's a powerful tool for benchmarking your efficiency, tracking productivity, and identifying areas for growth. Whether you're comparing year-over-year performance, evaluating multiple facilities, or planning future upgrades, these insights can help shape your strategy for success. Don't forget to explore the additional resources provided by Resource Innovation Institute, including the free best practices guides and recorded workshops tailored to growers like you. These materials can help you make the most of your data and take your operation to the next level. Thank you for using PowerScore and for your commitment to resource-efficient cultivation. If you have any questions or need support, don't hesitate to reach out. Together, we're driving innovation and sustainability in agriculture. Happy benchmarking.